Hey guys, so today is getting ready with Monica in the car. So I'm just gonna start with, for those of you ladies that have a husband that just is so patient and doesn't mind waiting on you to get ready because they want you to feel just as beautiful as they see you, you better go hug him and kiss his neck now.
They don't exist.
Okay, so first I'm going to start with my primer. I do use the e.l.f. primer. It is my favorite. The consistency is really good too. I love it. Oh, can you see it? So I'm just going to put this all over my face. So the foundation I'm going to use today is the MAC Studio Fix in color NC44. This was forever my go-to. Sorry for the shakiness, like I said, I'm in a car. But it was forever one of my favorites until I switched over a few years back to the Urban Decay All-Nighter. But I feel like using MAC today, so we're going to go in with this. Alright, now I'm just going to take my wet sponge and blend it all in. Now I'm going to go in with my NARS concealer in a medium 1 custard color. It is one of my favorite concealers. And it blends really well with the MAC foundation. So I just apply a very generous amount because I love concealer. It conceals everything. So now I'm going to go in with my Kylie Cosmetics setting powder in translucent. It is definitely one of my favorites. I feel like it's smooth on the skin and it doesn't make you feel like your skin is dehydrated or dry. I love it. Now I'm going to take my Anastasia contour kit in light to medium, and I'm just going to contour a little bit on my cheeks, and the color I'm going to use is going to be this one today. I'm going to go in with my Hoola Benefit Caramel Bronzer. Just a little bit on the outer parts of my face. Basically everywhere I just contoured. Okay, so now with my eyes, I'm going to go in with my Kylie Cosmetics eyeshadow palette with the color Pink Problem. This is not the best driver in the world.
That's a lot.
And now I'm going to go in with a little bit of Princess.
You can get home delivery in as fast as the same day, or enjoy same-day pickup at the store. Either way, we think
Because
you're
I'm a
really
princess.
gonna like how easy it is. So order today at Kroger.com.
Now a little bit of Admirer.
Saucy McRib from McDonald's. Order your McRib.
And now I'm just going to do the exact same thing to the other eye. Now I'm just going to blend it all in. For my cheeks, I'm going to go in with just a little bit of the Santorini from the BH Cosmetics Glowing in Grease palette. Right here. Crib check. Still there. Now for my highlighter, I'm going to go in with my BH Cosmetics Blushing and Bali palette. And I'm going to use the color Glisten, which is this one right here. Okay, so now for my corners, I'm back in my Kylie Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. And I'm actually going to go with Heartthrob. And I'm just going to put that on the inner corners on both eyes. Okay, so now I'm going to do my eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I'm going to use the Benefit Ka-Brow in a level 3. So now, on the lid. Second step is just going over them with gel so I can ensure that they don't move or go anywhere, because you know, eyebrows like to run away sometimes. Alright, so the gel I use is actually Maybelline Tattoo Studio, and it's in soft brown. Now, right under my eyebrows, I'm gonna go in with Princess out of the Kylie palette. And I'm just gonna go right under him, and then I'm gonna outline right under my eyebrow with Heartthrob, just to give it a little shimmer. Time for the dreaded part, the eyeliner. So I'm using Tarte's Blackest Black. And we're gonna see how well I can do it. I mean, I can do it in the car. I can do it in a mirror in the car. But can I do it on camera with no mirror in the car? About to learn today. Okay, I'm gonna have a mirror, so that means I'm gonna be doing it one-handed versus using my visor mirror. Here goes nothing. We've come to a stop. Now for the mascara. And I'm using the the blackest black. Okay guys, so this is the completed look. I will say two things when you are doing your makeup in the car is, one, make sure that you have a driver, and two, make sure that you're wearing your seatbelt. Better safe than sorry, right? I hope you guys did enjoy, and I will post some pictures so you can see the whole look tied together. And thanks, until next time. Bye.